Hello everybody and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian and today we are going to be drawing unicorns. All different types of unicorns. So get your paper out of that desk drawer, get that pen that's lying around, marker, pencil, and let's start drawing. So we're gonna start fast here, so you can go ahead and pause, rewind, stop, whatever you wanna do, and go over this as many times as you need to. Don't worry about messing up, as I always say, because sometimes the mess ups, the mistakes, the little lines that you accidentally draw make it even better. And if you start with pencil, it won't even matter because you can erase it and then go back over it with marker when you're done. All right, so while we're doing this, I am going to give you unicorn facts. That's right, I have facts in my hand about unicorns. Did you know that the first known depiction of a unicorn was found in Lascaux caves of modern-day France? Dates to around 15,000 BCE, or so people thought, until they realized that the so-called Lascaux, I'm not really sure how to say that, but I'm going to say it that way, Lascaux unicorn had two horns, drawn confusingly close together. The earliest record of unicorns in Western literature belongs to a Greek historian. In the 5th century BCE, he wrote that the beast had a white body, purple head, blue eyes, and a multicolored horn, red at the tip. That's so specific. Black in the middle, and white at the base. Did you know that in his travels, Marco Polo believed he stumbled across unicorns? He wrote, "They are very ugly brutes to look at. They are not at all such as we describe unicorns. That's because they were actually rhinoceros." So he found rhinoceroses, non-rhinoceri, I don't know. And he found out that they were unicorns, but they really weren't. And it was hilarious. I think it's hilarious. Genghis Khan reportedly decided not to conquer India after meeting a unicorn, which bowed down to him. He viewed it as a sign from his dead father and turned his army back. What an experience. What a story. I wonder what it was that bowed at him, because I really do think something did. But was it a unicorn? I don't know, maybe. During the Dark Ages, when science famously took a back seat to illogical hunches, collections known as bestiaries listed the biological properties and medicinal use of known animals, which at the time included unicorns. Even the Bible mentions unicorns, possibly. The King James Version of the Old Testament contains 9 references to unicorns, thanks to a mistranslation of the Hebrew word re'em. The original word was likely the Assyrian remu, auroch, an extinct species of wild ox. So some people do think that it's in the Bible, but really it was just a mistranslation, which happens all the time. You wouldn't believe how many people in this world have gotten in trouble because they have mispronounced something in a different language. It's pretty funny, but it's not funny at the same time. The legend that unicorns' horns could counteract poison and purify water was bad news for narwhal populations, as the single tooth protruding from the front of the whale's head made for a popular counterfeit. The Danes even had a throne made of narwhal horns. That is bad news for the narwhal. So we really do have the narwhal whale, who has kind of like a tooth, but it's a horn that sticks out of its head and makes it look like a unicorn that's swimming around. Early unicorn heraldry can be found on the ancient seals of Babylonia and Assyria, but it's most famously attached to Scotland's King James III in the 1400s. 2 gold coins of that era were even known as the unicorn and the half unicorn. Wow. So that is all the time we have to talk about unicorns, because guess what? We are pretty much done drawing our own unicorns. I hope you had so much fun drawing and coloring this in. And if you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see so many more videos that we put out all the time. My name is Brian once again, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.